Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today's topic is about noun gender. What is a noun gender? Look at this example. Here we have a boy and a girl, lion, lioness, cock and hen. So here we can say that gender means masculine or feminine. Masculine or feminine are called the gender. So now look at the definition of masculine. A noun that denotes a male animal is said to be of the masculine gender. As we have the examples of boy, man, horse or hero, all are in masculine gender. Next is a noun that denotes a female animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Female animal which represent it would be called as feminine gender. So here we have example girl, woman, mare and heroine all are called feminine gender. Next we have a noun that denotes either a male or female. Any of the noun that represents a female or male is said to be of common gender. Now here child, friend, enemy, student. So here student may be a male or female, so it is categorized as common gender. Enemy also may be a male or female, friend as well and a child too. Number 4 is a noun that sorry, a noun that denotes a thing that is neither male nor female. Okay, a noun that is neither male nor female is said to be of neuter gender. Like here we have tree, lighter, box, book. They belong to neither male nor female gender in category, so they are called neuter gender. Next we have personified object. What are personified objects? Look at the definition. Objects without laughing are not laughing, without life are often personified. That is spoken of as if they were living beings. Mean some of the objects which are lifeless, so they are treated as a living being in some of the writings, and they are regarded as males or females in their writing. And if you remember or you don't know, in writing personification, what does it mean? Personification means any of the object or non-living thing, non-living thing or living thing that are given the characteristics of human thing, of humans. So here we have the example as some of the personified objects like sun, justice, summer, mercy, charity, death. Some of the time these nouns are also given some of the gender. So now what will be? The masculine gender is applied to objects remarkable for strength and violence. Keep remember, for strength and violence. Any of the noun which is remarkable or which is famous for its strength and violence, it would be regarded as masculine gender. How? Look at the example. We have the sun shows his fierce heat in a summer day. Now here the sun is regarded as the male character, his fire. Okay, we can know here from this word the object, the possessive pronoun case of the noun sun. The sun shows his fierce heat in a summer. So sun is the object which is remarkable for his strength. And we have the next definition. The feminine gender is applied to objects remarkable for beauty, gentleness and gracefulness. Okay, some of the objects, some of the nouns, when they are remarkable for beauty, gentle and uh, gracefulness, we give them what? We give them feminine gender. How? Look at example. Peace has her. Peace has her victories. Okay, so her is showing are pointing toward the peace. So peace is remarkable for its gentleness, and some of the time it is used as for beauty. Okay, so now let us check that ways of forming a feminine of noun. So by forming the feminine of nouns from masculine, so there are three ways. How many ways? There are three ways of forming the feminine of nouns. The first one is by using an entirely different word. By using entirely different word, by making or forming the feminine. Examples are boy to girl, so the feminine of boy is girl, and the feminine of sir is madam, and what is the feminine of dog? It is bitch. So we may change the entire word to make feminine. Second, we may add a syllable. Which type of syllable? Syllable ESS, INE, TRIX, etc. to make to form masculine from to make feminine from masculine. Look at the example. Examples are here. Host. So the feminine of host is hostess, and shepherd, shepherdess. Now here we have actor, actress, negro, negress, and hero, heroine, testator, testatrix, sultan, and feminine of sultan is sultana. So now here keep remember one point. If you look at closely the word actor, we have the spelling of actor is ACTOR. In the masculine gender it is O, but if you look at its feminine gender, here O is omitted. Okay, so if you look at the negro and actress, so some of the nouns are there when their feminines are formed. Some of the vowels O or E are omitted by making the feminine of the masculine nouns. Number third way is by placing a word before or after. Here we have grandfather, so its feminine would be grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Salesman to saleswoman. So keep remember, third formation of the feminine of a noun is to add a word before or after of the masculine. So this was today's lecture. See you in the next.